Hello friends and clients of Inaxsys, I hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial, and again this is a request from one of our good clients who's watching our YouTube videos. So basically I want to show you how to run a user report that will include who have access to a selected door. Okay, we can select one or multiple doors and then the report will show who will have access based on their access levels. Okay, so this is very useful. Let's say there's an audit on site and the client needs to provide the list of users or employees that have access, let's say, to the server room door for whatever reason, then this is a report to run. Okay, so this is the Protege GX platform from ICT. Remember, Inaxsys is the proud Canadian distributors of this product. So let's go into GX and I'm going to show you how this is done. So now let's see how this is programmed. Okay, so from the home page, I'm going to Reports, Setup, and User. And this is the report I created previously. So basically, this is a report that will show we'll have access to the emergency door in the system. So the type is all users who have access to the selected doors. Then quickly below, we add the doors we want. In this case, I use the emergency door. Under the column section, the last name, first name is there by default. I added access levels and facility card number, so then we know the card details. You can also set the system on a schedule to email the report or export the report to a selected folder. Okay, so that's very simple. Now let me show you how the report will look like. Again, this is going to show all users with access to the emergency door based on the access level. So I go to Reports, User, I select this report here with emergency exit access. I can run the report, and then in a few seconds I have the list of users. Basically everybody will have access to that door. It shows the access level. If the access level expires, it's going to show, and also it shows the main schedule for this access level. Now if some users have multiple access levels, they're going to show on the right, so access level 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, and then here we have the facility number and the card number of those users. Okay, so this is again simple, and then you can also print, you can export to a file with this button here and select the file you want. I prefer Excel type of files because then you can sort, you can change the column size and so on. You can search from the file, so I find it's a better format for this type of report. Okay, so again, this was the ICT Protege GX platform. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button. We have hundreds and hundreds of videos available on our channel. You can search for different topics and tutorials, so we frequently have more videos on a weekly basis. Okay, so again, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you liked the video. See you soon.